TypeError, a create_superuser, missing one required positional argument, a profile_picture. I get the following error after adding the profile_picture field. This profile_picture field is an image field set as null equals true. I have tried the following, def create_user, profile_picture equals none, It didn't work. And the error occurs only in command prompt when I create superuser from there. Here is my models.py.
Well, you need to create the create_superuser function as well. Good luck.
I had the same problem. It turned out that in the list named required_fields was misnamed. That list tells the Django framework to ask for name as well during the creation. Because it is not asking and you've made it necessary. I hope it helps. Best of luck.
You can add username to the required_fields. After that, Python manage.py create superuser asks for username field and it works.
You need to add profile_picture to required_fields in the class user abstract base here in models.py.